all matching. And God said this, man, this guy can plumb, he can wire, he can drywall, he can paint, he can lay block. Well, there's nothing that this guy
would have been an angel.
Well, and his brother worked with him every day. And so Bill, he could do anything. And his brother was just like, the two of them did more than 4 men.
Wow.